best tactical flashlight. If you're looking for the best tactical flashlight, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. J5 Tactical V1 Pro Flashlight. The V1 Pro flashlight is capable of running for hours on a single charge of its Li battery or off of a single AA battery. Its compact form makes it one of the easiest to conceal and the easiest to tote around. The V1 Pro is also a joy to hold, and with this wristband in place, impossible to lose. The high-intensity LED bulb will project copious lights down the road, around the campsite, or in an assailant's face, providing you time to effect an escape. The V1 Pro is ideal for first responders or roadside assistant pros. It's also done the rounds in Afghanistan, Iraq, Kuwait, and it's answering the call for special ops in Syria as we write this. Number 2. Streamlight 88040 ProTac HL750 Lumen Professional Tactical Flashlight. This flashlight is a compact programmable flashlight that's bright and powerfully designed for long product life. This light is a favorite due to its brightness offered at an affordable price. The LED power regulation technology provides the most brightness out of each battery you purchase. Streamlight is known to produce quality products. They specialize in manufacturing tactical, weapon mount, and safety-rated flashlights, lanterns, and headlamps. This light is made from anodized aircraft aluminum to provide powerful protection. It's 1 meter impact resistance tested. This device is also waterproof to 1 meter for 30 minutes, adding to its durability. Number 3. Outlite A100 Portable Bright Handheld LED Flashlight. The Outlite A100 gets our vote as one of the top 3 tactical lights for a variety of reasons. Starting with its compact design that makes it the perfect companion for navigating wooded hiking trails or darkened parking garages. It's tough as nails, fashioned from scratch-proof aircraft-grade aluminum, and its black anodized finish stands up to scraping and scratching. It's water-resistant, so there's no problem taking it with you on rainy days. The A100 features a Cree XML T6 LED bulb that produces a maximum of 900 lumens of clear intense light and has a life expectancy of 100,000 hours. Number 4. Super Bright Handheld LED Emergency Flashlights of Solaray. The Solaray Pro ZX1 is a reliable, bright, and authentic tactical flashlight that'll perform when you need it. Solaray's motto is, "We'll never leave you in the dark," and that rings true with this flashlight. Ranked as the best value, the Pro ZX1 Tactical Series will quickly be your favorite light. Solaray is a dependable American brand with a 6-month warranty. For the price, it's difficult to find this kind of quality in a tactical flashlight. The Solaray Pro ZX1 is an ultra-bright, lightweight flashlight, capable of producing up to 1,200 lumens, with 5 light modes and the option for rechargeable batteries or 3 AAAs. Number 5. SureFire G2X Series LED Flashlights. The G2X SureFire has created a tough, dependable, compact LED tactical flashlight with a corrosion and scratch-resistant body and bold, bright output. The grip on the G2X is firm and comfortable, the bezel discreet but potentially devastating to wannabe assailants, and the overall size is compact enough to fit comfortably in one of the pockets of your tactical hiking pants. The G2X also features a tail cap on or off button, as well as an always-on mode for those times you need uninterrupted light brought to bear on a perp or an emergency situation. The mil-spec anodized aluminum head is tough as nails. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.